In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a top-rated products block fast and easy. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's visual appeal, boost user engagement, or simply highlight your best products, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. First, ensure that you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's control hub, where you can manage content, appearance, and functionality. Once you're logged in, you'll find a menu on the left side of your screen. Look here and click on Pages. This section contains all the pages your website currently has, offering you full control over each one. Next, browse through your list of pages and select the one where you'd like to add the top-rated products block. Click on Edit, and you'll be taken to the Gutenberg editor, where you can make various changes to your page. Gutenberg uses a block system, making it incredibly intuitive to add different types of content. Now that you're in the editor, direct your attention to the plus icon found at the top left part of the page. Clicking on this icon will open a block list that you can add to your page. In the search box that appears, type in top-rated product, defined by product, to find the relevant block quickly. Once you've pinpointed the top-rated products block, click on it to add it to your page. This block allows you to feature products that are highly rated or bestsellers, adding a compelling visual touch. Customizing this block is straightforward. You can specify the number of products you wish to display. Common choices include 4 or 6, depending on your page layout. Additionally, you have the flexibility to configure the number of columns, with options like 2, 3, or 4, ensuring the arrangement suits the design of your page. After configuring your block to fit your needs, all that's left to do is save your changes. Simply click on the Save button, usually located at the top right corner. Congratulations! You've successfully added a top-rated products block to your page. Adding such blocks does more than just update your page aesthetically. It serves an important function by directing your visitors' attention to your most popular or best-reviewed products, potentially improving your sales and boosting overall customer satisfaction. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to tinker with different configurations to find what works best for your website. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing!